Good morning, students. Welcome to my online class. Today's topic migration, causes and consequences of migration. Migration denotes any movement by human beings between one geographical region to another with the aim to settle definitely or temporarily. Two kinds of migration: international migration and internal migration. Now, what are the causes of the migration? Causes of migration can be divided into four. Number one, economic factors, marriage, education, lack of security. Economic factors: in developing countries and developed countries, their low agricultural income, agricultural unemployment, and underemployment leads to migration. Introduction of capital intensive methods of production into agricultural sector and mechanization of certain process leads to migration. Marriage is a very important social factor of migration. Education: rural areas by and large lack of educational facilities, especially those of higher education, and rural people have to migrate to the urban centers for this purpose. Lack of security: people migrate generally when they do not have security. Political disturbances and inter-ethnic conflicts. Inter-ethnic conflicts is nothing but multicultural conflicts or involving different people, drive people away from their homes. Consequences of migration, effects of migration. Here, number one, demographic consequences, social consequences, economic consequences. Demographic consequences: migration leads to unbalanced demographic distribution of population within the country. Social consequences: migration leads to cultural conflicts, family breakdown, fragmentation of social networks, and psychological stress. It weakens family structures and relationships. Due to overpouring of people, the older cities like Mumbai, Delhi, etc., facing the problem of housing, leading to people living in slums. Economic consequences: migration of people, just as international trade, has a direct impact on both the sending country and the receiving country. Adverse effect on immigration includes loss of jobs for the locals, heavy burden on natural resources and public services. High skilled immigration implies a loss of public resources for the sending country. The sending country gains through migrants in the form of foreign exchange, but the sending country losses due to reduction in skilled workforce, which is critical for productivity and economic growth. Thank you.